Is your green card about to expire or already expired? Don't panic. Here's exactly how to renew it, how to use Form I-90, and what to do while you wait for your new card. To renew a 10-year U.S. green card, you must file Form I-90, the application, to replace permanent resident card with USCIS. This is the official form used when your card is expiring, has already expired, or even if it's damaged, lost, stolen, or has incorrect information. You can file Form I-90 if your green card has already expired, but it's best to file early, generally up to 6 months before expiration, to avoid gaps in your documentation. Important note, if you hold a conditional 2-year green card, the renewal process is different. You'll file Form I-751 or Form I-829 to remove conditions instead. Filing Form I-90, online versus mail. USCIS allows you to file Form I-90 online through your USCIS account or by mailing a paper application. Online filing is usually faster and more convenient. Create or log into your USCIS online account, complete the form, upload copies of your current green card, and pay the filing fee electronically. You'll also get real-time case status updates. Mail filing still works. Download the current Form I-90, fill it out neatly, include the required supporting documents and filing fee, and mail it to the correct USCIS address. USCIS will process it once received. Many applicants prefer filing online because it helps reduce errors and gives clear tracking of your case progress. If your green card expires while your I-90 renewal is pending, good news! USCIS now automatically extends the validity of your card for up to 36 months once they accept your renewal application. That means your Form I-90 receipt notice together with your expired green card can be used as evidence of your lawful permanent status, your work authorization, and proof for HR paperwork like I-9 verification. If you don't have your card at all, after filing you can request an ADIT sticker stamp at a USCIS field office. This acts as temporary proof of your residency while you wait for the new card. Important, an expired card alone doesn't mean you've lost permanent resident status, it simply needs renewal. But don't delafile as soon as you're in the renewal window. To renew your green card properly, gather these items before filing. A copy of the front and back of your current green card, your passport or government-issued ID as supporting identification, your USCIS receipt numbers and addresses if you've moved, any documents explaining name changes or updates, if applicable. Tip: double-check everything before submission. Missing documents or incorrect info are common sources of delays or RFEs from USCIS. So how long does renewal take? Processing times for Form I-90 can vary. In many cases, it's many months before the new card arrives. USCIS processing depends on workload and background checks. Because it often takes longer than the validity of your current card, that 36-month automatic extension is designed to keep you covered while you wait. Tip: after filing, save your I-90 receipt notice and expired card together. You'll need both to show proof of status for employment, travel, or government services. Tips and takeaways before you file. Before you hit submit, here are valuable takeaways. Start early. File Form I-90 up to 6 months before expiration to avoid gaps in status. File online when possible. It's easier to track and helps avoid common mistakes. Use your receipt notice with your expired card. It's valid as proof of status and work authorization. If you have special circumstances, like name changes, theft, or damage, include that in your filing with supporting evidence. If USCIS issues a request for evidence, or RFE, respond quickly and completely to avoid further delay. Consider professional help if your situation is complex or if you've had past issues with immigration history. Renewing your green card might take time, but preparing carefully now will save you headaches later. If you're planning your renewal now, comment Renew Help. I'll walk you through common questions and help you avoid mistakes step by step.